Today, guys, I'm going to be going over my simple 3-step process to sell shoes most effectively and most importantly to get the most money. And that's all going down right now. Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Phil, also known as the King of Thrift. Back with another video today to help you guys make that money out there on eBay. If this is your first time to my channel and you want to learn how to work from home and be your own boss, buying and reselling on eBay, then make sure you subscribe to this channel right now and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon right next to it, or else you're going to miss something. Now, with that out of the way, guys, let's get into the topic today. Selling shoes and actually getting the most money out of your shoes. Now, this is a simple 4-step process. It works beautifully. I basically cut out all the non-essentials and things that are not necessary. Now, when you're selling shoes, the first thing that you want to do is clean them. When you get your shoes home, they're foul, they're dirty. And a matter of fact, just a little interesting side note, most all the germs that are in your house, I believe it's like 90% of all the germs in your house come in on your shoes. But the first thing that you want to do is clean them. Now, what I have found works best for cleaning shoes is just plain old water, guys. Water. And if you need to, get a little bit of Dawn, is it Dawn? Yeah, Dawn is actually what I like to use. It is the mildest. It won't strip your shoes. It won't leave stains or marks, but it will get them very, very clean. And all you need is a little bit of Dawn mixed with some water. You're good to go. 9 times out of 10, that is all you're going to need, and a little bit of elbow grease applied to the shoes, and you'll get them as clean as you need them. Sometimes I feel like over the years of doing this job that I'm a professional cleaner, and honestly, I have learned how to clean everything. I mean, any and everything, and that is the name of the game, because you know, if you can get things clean, then you can get a lot more money for them. I mean, that's the bottom line. So 99 times out of 100, everything I get goes through a cleaning process before I sell it. And that's everything from electronics to shoes to, I mean, whatever it is. If it's dirty, it needs to be clean, then I will clean it. Next thing you want to do after you clean them, and you just want to clean them well, you want to focus on the soles. You get the soles clean, the outsides of the soles clean. Now with boots, you also, you know, and leather-soled shoes, you want to clean the outside of the sole very well. And then what you can use is I believe it's called boot dressing, or it's called sole dressing. I can't remember, but it's just like paint, and you know, you just paint it onto the soles, and it basically you know, it coats them, colors them, brings them back to life, makes them look good again. Now the second, but now actually, guys, we're gonna let's rewind here. I actually forgot the very first thing you need to do before cleaning your shoes is to stuff them or put shoe horns in them. Stuff them with newspaper. Newspaper works really well, guys. Basically, you want to press all the wrinkles and crinkles out so that you can get into those creases, so that you can get the dirt out of those creases. You can really get in there. Shoe horns in your shoes, and boots, you can use shoe horns also, but with boots, I would recommend stuffing them with newspaper. Newspaper works really well. You can stuff them really tight, press out all those creases. Makes it 10 times easier to clean, guys. Trust me, you're gonna thank me in the end when you're not trying to run your hand up in these shoes and try to press out every nook and cranny to try to get them clean. Just stuff them with newspaper, or, you know, like I said, you use shoe horns. I personally have, I'm sitting on probably 100 pairs of shoe horns that I've collected over the years. Shoe horns aren't cheap either, so but you know, just get you some good shoe horns, get you a few pairs so that you can stuff different sizes. You'll need different sizes for different sizes of shoes. You know, stuff your shoes, clean them really well with the soap and water. Third step, step 3, condition them or shine them. Now it could be one of either two of those things. Now you may need to condition them, in which case you can use an oil, you can use MINK oil, you can use, there are all types of different conditioners, and you can buy them, they're on the market, guys. Matter of fact, I will include a couple of links to a couple of my favorite ones. And you can also use shoe polish. If you need shoe polish, then, you know, 9 times out of 10 they're going to need one of the two, and they're going to need either conditioning or shoe polish. And shoe polish is basically going to be needed when, you know, obviously when there's scuffs, when you can see through the coloring on the shoes, you know, anything to that effect. And what I use is actually not polish, it's actually called shoe cream. It works better than polish, and it's actually conditioner and polish in one. And I will include a couple of links to my favorite shoe creams in this video. So make sure that you check the description section of this video for all my links to cleaning products, polishes, and shoe conditioners. Now, if you have a pair of canvas shoes, you can actually pop those in the washer, guys, and you'd be surprised. The washer does wonders with canvas and cotton type shoes, things like that. So if you do have, and even sneakers, a lot of times I've actually washed sneakers many times. I throw them in the washer, they'll come out looking new again. So after you clean them, after you polish or condition them, then they are ready for the last step, which is step 4, and that is taking pictures, guys. Now, taking pictures, I'm going to do a separate video on that, because positioning your shoes and, you know, man, I'm in a bad neighborhood here. But positioning your shoes, and I'm actually on my way to a yard sale, guys. Positioning your shoes in the pictures is going to be crucial to getting good shots, and you know, like I said, that will be a separate video. Step 1, you want to stuff them or put shoe horns in them. Step 2, you want to clean them well, and step 3, condition, shine them, or polish them. Now, selling shoes is labor intensive, guys, and I do not hear any resellers talking about that. So it is hard work and it is dirty work. Now, I can tell you, it's not fun. It's not fun selling shoes, but there's some really good money to be made there. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to work from home and be your own boss and get all sorts of tips and tricks on how you can do so. This has been the King of Thrift with another video to help you guys crush it out there in the eBay marketplace. And until my next one, you guys be good.